Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set the height of your total station in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I've done here is I've opened up a project that I've laid some points out, and I've connected to, in this case, the total station simulator, but this process is the same regardless of the total station you're using. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my select mode option here and click on that, and that's going to bring up my mode selection menu. And in my case, I'm going to use the backsite by one pointer direction. You can use the other backsite option as well, but I'm going to use a 1 point backsite. And you can see here in my instrument panel, there's the occupy point and then my instrument height. And in this instrument height is where I'm going to enter the height of my instrument. In my case, since I have my units in my project set to meters, I'm going to enter it in meters. If you had your project set to US survey feet, you need to enter it in feet. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you enter the instrument height of an instrument into MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a shout at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.